So this is my third session, and before doing the laser, I just want to show that this is my 2 weeks hair growth, and it's very, very, very less than my normal. And I think the only part that's working better is my underarms and my hands. The legs are not that good, so I'm gonna show you my hands and my legs as well, but the best part that worked is the underarms. Yeah, that's for sure. So this is how it looks after 2 weeks, and as I said, it's not looking good but it's okay. At least the underarms are working fine, so maybe I need to do more of the laser sessions, my legs. Yeah. So this is how it looks on my hand right now. Very minimal hair growth, and better than the legs for sure. So I'm impressed with my underarms and my arms, but not with my legs. But we'll see. So I'm gonna start my third session today, and then wait for another 2 weeks to see the results. Bye. So now I'm starting my third session. Set it up to level 5 here, and starting here. I try to do the first upper part first and then go behind. Okay, now I'm gonna do my legs. I've done both of my arms. This time I'm going really slow with my legs because I feel like the last 2 sessions I did not cover much of the area. That's why I didn't see good results. Because on my hands, on my armpit, the area is very small. So that's why it's easier and faster. Okay, so I'm done with the third session, and I will be back in 2 weeks with the update and see how the results are. I hope it'll be better. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you. Bye.